What's up, everybody? Today is a very special day. I got a new toy, and it's a Traeger Century 22. Yes, Century 22 pellet grill smoker. And basically, what it is I guess you could kind of call it a wood-fired outdoor oven. Basically, it's a smoker that you can. It's a wood-fire grill that you can basically use wood pellets and a little bit of electricity to keep the temperature exactly wherever you want it. So basically, it's got a range of smoke setting, which is you can cold smoke stuff, and it can go all the way up supposedly until about 425 degrees. I don't know if it'll do it at this altitude, but it should provide a really great tool. Besides sous videing, in combination with sous videing, to make some more delicious food. So I got this the other day. It's on sale at Costco. I think it's like 600 bucks. I was debating getting like another Weber gas grill, and I just kind of wanted to try something different, so got one of these instead since it was on sale. And basically this video is going to be kind of whatever. I just want to ask you what you think the first meal I should make on this thing should be. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll do that for you. Also, just going to unbox it and put it together real quick. So, nothing special, but I just wanted to share with you my new toy. Definitely going to be using it a lot. I'm going to do some videos on it. Let you know, how it compares to doing stuff sous vide. Maybe do some combination recipes. But anyway, let's get started. So before we get started, what do you think I should make tonight, or tomorrow rather? You get to vote. Corned beef, thick pork chops, salmon, ribeye, caps, some chicken thighs. I got my nice internal Bluetooth thermometer, so I'm ready to go. Just let me know what you think in the comments. I want to let you know I bought this myself. I'm not sponsored by them, so you're definitely going to get an accurate, opinion on what this thing is like. And I'm just happy that it's not raining, so I can actually put this thing together. About 48 degrees out, beautiful for a early March day. Let's get this bad boy open. We've got a lot of stuff here. Okay. Don't do that. Not sure what that's going to do. Oh, just like this. Easy peasy. Nothing here. Instructions. Those assembly guide. Yay. So it's going to take 2 people. We'll see about that. If I kill myself, let this video document say that, I don't know, who gives a shit. Hardware, cookbook, and wheels. Yeah, I forgot the first page of the instructions. Unpack all this shit, and then install the legs. Slide them down. Fucking screwdriver you need to take it off. What? Well, that's useless. Straight up. Move this. Okay, that wasn't so terrible. Oh yeah, anybody that's assembled anything these days knows that this is the worst frickin' part. I gotta move this bad boy here. I'm gonna put it over there because I need that plug. I'm gonna wrap around the corner, and it should be a good spot for it. Okay, got it in place. Doesn't say how though. Oh. Warning! Warning! This is a grease bucket. Ugh, mijn retirement grease. Chimney. Oh my goodness, a beautiful cover. Good thing I'm not in California. Getting deep trouble for having a grill cover. God, they're crazy there. So this obviously ain't gonna work. It's probably the part that most requires it to be a two-man job. Two-person job. Let's see here. I don't want to get demonetized for saying man. Yep. Look at this. It just never ends. Never ending. You got enough cardboard to build a new house. What's this pattern on here? I want to get all the cardboard out of here. I don't want cardboard smoke fucking food. Alright. Goes over here. Oh, look. Some doggos playing. Okay. Of course, it's not only getting sunnier, but rainier. Let me fucking say so. Look at this. All this crap I just put in there. I'm going to take it out. Give me a... This is going to be lovely. Temperature dial the smoke. Okay. Turn it on. So I guess turning ever so slowly. There's a little auger inside that moves ever so slowly, but anyway, it pushes the wood pellets through at a certain rate in order to get the proper temperature. The temperature is, you get this thing here as your temperature sensor. It is working. Let's go turn it down to shut down. Then we gotta fill up the hopper. So anyway, this gigantic 33-pound bag was 20 bucks. I imagine it'll last about as long as a propane tank would, which is also about 20 bucks. So turn it up to high. Okay, 450 it says is high. Look at that. Got some flames. Off. Let the grill cool down. And then put my grates back in. So yeah, that's it. We're good to go. I will be doing something tomorrow based upon what you guys say. So go ahead and vote in the comments. Just tell me what you think my first meal I cook on this bad boy should be. And let me know. And I will do it tomorrow, to be exact. And I will post the video probably before Friday. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon.